Hello, I'm Randy Clark, a course instructor at Mech with extensive industry experience and API certified as a source inspector for fixed equipment. Today I'm excited to introduce you to our comprehensive API 577 certification exam preparation course. This course, meticulously crafted by certified API inspectors, professional engineers, and industry experts, is tailored to not only help you pass the API 577 exam, but also to deepen your understanding of the crucial aspects of welding inspection as encountered during the course of fabrication and repair of refinery and chemical plant equipment and piping. Our course stands out with its fully online format, offering you the flexibility to learn at your own pace while ensuring you have direct access to instructors through live chat and emails for any queries. The learning experience is enhanced with voiceover slides, detailed figures, tables, and video explanations, making the content both engaging and comprehensive. To further your learning, we offer over 600 timed mock quizzes. These quizzes are graded and provide detailed feedback with codebook section references, allowing you to assess your understanding and focus on areas needing improvement. Our quick study reference guide is an invaluable resource for last-minute review. Additionally, we offer practice exams that closely mimic the real exam's content and structure, giving you a real sense of what to expect on the day of the exam. Upon registration, you'll have 90 days of full access to all course materials, with a free extension available if you need to make a second attempt. Completing this course will not only prepare you for the exam, but also earn you a certificate of completion, a testament to your dedication and skill. The API 577 exam is a 3-hour and 15-minute test comprising 110 questions. Out of these, 100 are scored and the remaining 10 are pre-test questions. Our course provides essential tips and a detailed breakdown of the exam's subject matter areas to strategically guide your studies. Are you ready to take the next step in your professional development? Enroll now at mechintegrity.com/API-577 and begin your journey towards API 577 certification with confidence.